Yeah, probably about that size, but there would still be a lot of wind trying to pull you in, and you're more likely to hit by flying debris at that distance.
Absolutely.
That's the bigger danger. It doesn't.
It's not that it's blowing.
Yeah, it's not the Wizard of Oz effect. It's more just
what it's
blowing
through the system.
Yeah, stuff's thrown at you. I've got some weather trivia for you.
Okay.
You ready? Got your
Ready.
thinking cap on?
Ready.
It's Monday morning.
I don't want to look bad. Now, don't
Start
make me
off right
look
now. Oh no.
All right.
Let's take a look here. Which of these feels muggier? This combination. So
Okay.
of these three options, temperature 82, humidity 70%, temperature 71, humidity 100%, temperature 95, humidity 46%. Which of those feels the worst?
The first one.
First one. Rudy?
I'll go for the second just to be different.
I don't know.
They're all identical.
Really?
So I mentioned so often how dew point is the important number when it comes to mugginess. This is how misleading the relative humidity is. It's relative to the temperature. So come back to the shot here at the desk here and I can show something. The humidity just tells you how full something is. So my water bottle here and my Coke can, they're both half full. There's a lot more liquid in this thing because it's a bigger container. So the temperature tells you the size of the container. The humidity just tells you how full it is. Dew point tells you how much is actually in there, how much water's in the air.
Interesting.
So there you go.
For
There's
all
your
you
science
kids
lesson
going to
for the
school
day.
today, that's
There's your science lesson for the day.
Let's take a look at the dew point.
Interesting.
Where is it right
Professor
now?
Paul.
It's not bad at the moment, so it
Right.
feels okay as you're heading out the door. There's our trivia question again. There's the dew point. 65 degrees is where it stands at the moment. Technically, that's the temperature at which the humidity reaches 100%. So they are related to one another. You can use one to calculate the other. Temperature is at 69 here at the station. We leveled off at 67 overnight, but now we're starting to climb just a little bit. That dew point number is going to climb as well. Not a lot yet today, but enough that you'll be able to tell a difference by this time tomorrow morning. Certainly, it's going to be feeling much more muggy. Clear skies overhead, and with that low humidity and the low dew point, that means that you see blue skies overhead rather than that haze on the horizon. A little bit of fog in eastern Middle Tennessee, but visibilities are starting to improve a little bit here as we look at Carthage, Smith County. You were fogged in a little while ago, but it's getting slowly better. Adventure Science Center fog, never much of an issue around Nashville this morning to begin with, so no problems there for the morning commute. Don't forget the sunglasses on the way out the door, and you're looking good in Cookeville so far this morning with some of the coolest temperatures on the map. Checking the forewarned live radar, there's nothing out there right now. We got some thunderstorms way off to our north that are diving down out of Cincinnati and down towards around Lexington, Kentucky, but those are going to fizzle out before they move towards us. We don't have to worry about them. Very slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm later on today, but in general, just another hot day. It's not hot just yet. Temperatures are in the upper 50s in Tullahoma, Cookeville, Livingston, and Crossville, well below normal for this time of year. A few degrees below average for Nashville. We'll take what we can get in early August, but warmer air already invading the northwestern part of the mid-state. 70 degrees in Hopkinsville and Paris, 73 in Murray. And our temperatures are going to climb today. The humidity will start to climb a little bit today, but not enough for much of a thunderstorm chance. We'll wind Futurecast forward here through the morning. Barely a cloud in the sky for the first several hours of the day, but then a few radar freckles could pop up as we head into the afternoon. It's not much of a rain chance. This afternoon, our rain chances are 10% at the highest, but this evening, we'll be watching for some storms to maybe make a run into southern Kentucky or northeastern Middle Tennessee. Most of them should fizzle out before they move in, so we're just calling that a 20% chance, and we'll stick with the 20% chance for tomorrow as well. But with the increased humidity and temperatures, they're still going to be plenty hot, reaching up into the low to mid 90s. That's enough that we could kind of pop the lid on the atmosphere in a couple of spots here and there throughout the afternoon tomorrow. Still, don't plan around any chance of showers and thunderstorms. I don't think you're going to need the umbrella, but maybe start stashing it in the back seat tomorrow just in case, because we're going to see increasing rain chances as we head through the rest of the week. Marginal threat of severe weather has been outlined for the northern half of the mid-state for those storms dropping down from the north. I really don't think we're going to have to worry about any severe weather potential for today. And the only day of the week where it maybe could kind of sort of be a potentially good setup for severe thunderstorms would be Thursday. And even then, I think a slight risk is about the highest it's going to go. Dog walking forecast is looking hot once again, but at least it's not hot and humid. Temperatures will reach the low to mid 90s. Slight storm chance late this afternoon and this evening. And we'll be seeing even hotter and humider weather, not a word, muggier weather on the way forward tomorrow, which will make it feel even hotter. We'll check the 7-day forecast one more time coming up in about 7 minutes. Melanie.
It's all right. It's a Monday.
It is
Paul.
a Monday.
We'll give it to you. All right. Well, we're starting to see some backups on I-65 at the 20.